Crafter's Companion has done what I believe is their first card making kit, and this is called dome card making. Now with this you'll be able to make 24 dome cards. Now there are instructions included, so that's really nice, and they're just step number 1, 2, 3, 4, just takes you right through it. On the back of the package you'll also see each of the cards that you can make, just so that you can be sure that you've got the right overlay with the right card base. So let me show you what I mean by that. So you're going to get 3 each of what I'm going to show you. You're going to get 3 dome cards like this. They're foiled, if you'll notice. They are scored on the side, and this circle is going to pop out, so just like that. The pieces inside it will also pop out. Then you're going to get 3 matching cards, just like that. I'll show you how those go together in a second, but let's look at everything that you get. Okay, so there is a bright red robin, and there is the card that goes with it. There you get some stars, and there is the wreath that goes with it. You get these little birds, and there is the bird, obviously, those go together. You get these little trees and bunnies, very winter scene, and there is the card base. You get this one with pine cones and some little critters, and there is Santa. And you get a wreath, and it's going to go with the door. Now, of course, you can mix and match these, but this is just to get you started. And we've got our gingerbread, and that's going to go with the gingerbread that's hanging by the stocking. Now, the construction is really pretty easy. You take your card, and it's scored, so you simply fold it in half. You're going to keep the printed area on the outside. Okay. Now, you're going to take this piece, and as I said, you're going to pop this out. And then these 2 sides are scored, so you're going to fold them back, and then you'll take the extra sticky tape and place that along each of those folded pieces. Now, when you go to place this on the card, I would go with the one along the fold first, and then this one you're going to have to make that domed in order to fit. So it's going to look like this. So that's going to give you your 3-dimensional look. There you go. Then you'll take the pieces that are die cut in here. You can put them on top if you want to. You can foam tape them. You can add them around, whatever you want to do, or you can save and use them for the inside of the card. So this is going to give you your dome shape. Now, if you are wondering, okay, but how would I mail that? Crafter's Companion has the answer. They have included 24 of these boxes. And again, they're also have foil. So what you'll do is simply take the box and fold along all the score lines, and you want to fold them all in, just like this. Very, very easy to do. Now, take these little wings and pop them in. And then you want to put the double-sided tape or any type of adhesive on the bottom area to do that flap. And then you can tuck your card in and also secure it with tape. So you have this mailing box that will do you well. So everything is really thoughtfully taken care of for you. Again, you'll be able to make 24 cards. You've got 24 boxes that will take care of them. All of this comes together in one package, and very fun to do. A tip, I would consider using some acetate inside that oval or that circle, or better yet, the Hunky Dory Snowfall acetate. Both of them, or maybe vellum. You can do a lot of fun things with this.